Signal to noise. Distinction.
There's a village in my mind. A world in my mind. People who stepped from the shadows to huddle from the cold a long time ago, or never. Their only chance at life, the people in my head. If I don't write them down, they die with me. But I won't die. I know I won't die. I'm too important. To me, if to no one else. If I'm cold and buried, I won't die. I mustn't. Memories I clutch and hold. Remember. A watch face. An empty TV channel. A blurred photograph of a young girl in the rain. We impose patterns on what we experience. And we die because things that matter end. But sometimes the patterns we believe in carry on. You are not dead until every person that knew you is dead as well. Where'd I hear that? Well, perhaps I made it up. Doesn't matter. There's a village in my mind. Midnight can wait, but I hear the clock ticking, and behind it I hear the echoes of other clocks which have counted off the seconds of my life. I remember the grandfather clock in the hallway, and I was a child. I can hear everything I've ever heard. But behind the ticking, behind the sound, I can hear the other. Clean and sterile and cold. I can hear the silence. And it won't go away.